Hey there, so a package arrived today, so I thought I'd film myself opening it. I've taken it out of the actual bubble wrapped kind of container, if you like, and I'm left with this box. This box has like a paper sleeve, and inside is a little blue box. I should have opened it right side up. You can see it says Microsoft MVP, and if I open it up, right, so inside you can see is a little pack of stickers with the new MVP logo. And in there is the glass disc for this year, and you get a little magnetic pin. We used to get these a little while ago, and then they stopped. Little MVP pin, which you can probably just about see. I'm going to put that there. And inside is the glass disc with the 2026-2027. So the MVP trophy here, and carefully insert it there and let it drop in place. There you go. 8 years in the program. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you in the next video about something Teams related. Thanks very much.